Hi, I am from Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to convert a Canva file to Photoshop. If you've ever designed something in Canva and needed to edit it in Photoshop, you might have thought it was impossible. But the good news is, there's a simple way to do it. Stick around as I take you through the step-by-step process. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. First, open your Canva design that you want to convert. Make sure everything is finalized before you proceed because once you export the file, you won't be able to make changes in Canva. Next, click on the Share button in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Now, under the File Type option, choose PDF Standard. This format will help preserve the quality of your design and ensure that elements remain editable in the next step. Step 2. Once the PDF is downloaded, open your web browser and go to photopea.com. Photopea is a free online editor that works similarly to Photoshop, and it supports PSD file conversions. Step 3. Now drag and drop the PDF file into Photopea, or click Open from Computer and select your downloaded file. Photopea will automatically process the file and you'll see all the elements from your Canva design appear as layers, just like in Photoshop. Step 4, the final step, is to save the file as a PSD. To do this, go to File in the top left corner, then select Save as PSD. This will download a Photoshop-compatible file that you can now open in Adobe Photoshop and continue editing. And that's it! You've successfully converted your Canva file into a fully editable Photoshop document. Thanks for watching. See you next time.